Okay, let's discuss what you need to do on this Wednesday, April 14th. Here are the directions for you to follow, so make sure you follow these step by step directions. The first step is to go to the forum, and while you're there, you're going to watch the video on the forum. Okay, so here's the forum here. When you open it up, you will see a place for you to put your name and the period and some questions for you to answer. Now, to answer the questions, use this website here. So when you open up this website, it will take you to a place where it talks about and gives you information on different careers. So different careers that you may choose. Now, don't worry about taking this test. You don't have to do that. That test is to see what career might be good for you. So maybe you can do it later, but you don't have to worry about that. A good place to start is to browse careers by industry. So this just gives you a bunch of different areas that you may be interested in and then careers that go with them. So, say you were interested in entertainment type of careers and sports, arts, design. When you go, it has a bunch of different career choices. So, say you wanted to be a photographer, I'm going to open that up. And here it gives you some basic information about the career, money, the education you need, so on and so forth. It also has an area here, if you look, for tasks. A task talks about the different types of things you're going to need to do in that career. So, like on any given day, you will do these sort of tasks. So, this is good information to know. It also talks about the skills you need. So, what type of skills do you need in order to be successful in this career? It talks about those here. So you want to get your information from here, use that to complete this form. So you answer these questions on the form. Now, if we go back to the instructions, if you are able to do this and you don't have any questions, then you can leave this Zoom meeting. You do not have to stay. If you know what you're doing, you do not have to stay. You can leave the Zoom meeting. If you do not have any if you do have questions, then you need to stay in the Zoom meeting and get your questions answered. Now, these questions can relate to the form that you're doing, it can relate to your career, it could go back to the college one pager you're doing. Any questions that you have, make sure you stay and get them answered on this Wednesday while you are here. We will meet with you and talk to you. So, if you have any questions, then stay. If you don't, then you can leave the meeting and you will be working on your college one pager if you have not finished that. And you can also begin your career one pager. Your career one pager is located right here. If you open it up, it's just like the other one pager. It has the directions at the top, and you will go ahead and complete the one pager here. Okay. Also, remember if you need a video on how to do the one pager, there is a video here talking about how to do it and to get it done. So, those are the steps of what you need to do today. Um, it is possible for you to look at this, understand everything, and leave the Zoom. That will be fine if you do not have any questions. But also remember, this is an intervention. If you have any questions, please stay and get them answered. We will be able to get to everyone. Okay? So this is Mr. Florence speaking for Miss Livingston and Miss Lewis, and I am out. Peace. Baby, baby.